Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam was seen by Sahaba Kiram, but he was not in his original form. And in his original form, most of the people are not able to see Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam. Even the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has seen Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam in his original form only for twice, only for 2 times in his whole life. Otherwise, the body of Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam is too big that once Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam opened 2 of his wings, just 2 of his wings, because angels have wings. Almighty Allah has mentioned in the Holy Quran that angels have wings. Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam opened 2 of his wings, and what was the impact? What happened then? His 2 wings filled all the horizon, the whole horizon. 2 wings of Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam filled. So what about all the wings of Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam? Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam has 600 wings. See, 600 wings Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam has, and 2 of his wings filled the whole horizon. So what about 600 wings of Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam? And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam with all of his wings, 600 wings, twice in his life. But that was one kind of excellence for the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Otherwise, that is excellence for Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam, that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam put his blessed eyes and sight over Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam. That was really excellence for Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam, because he is the servant of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Though he is the master of angels, he is best among the angels, but our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he is best among all the creations of Allah. Whatever Allah has created, our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is best of them. Khairul Bariyah. Bariyah is creation. Khairul Bariyah, best of creation. Our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Sayyidul Mursaleen, and he is Khairul Bariyah. He is best among all Mursaleen, all messengers, and he is best of the creation of Allah Azza wa Jal. So Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam is creation, and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is better than every other creation. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is better than Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam. But along with that, Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam opened 600 of his wings in front of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw Jibrail Amin alayhi salatu wasalam with all of his wings.